morning, fellas. America runs on Duncan. Wyatt runs on Blumpkins. We are somewhere in Delaware. We spent the night at my cousin Marty's house. We're about 2.5 hours away from Pocono, PA. Mpact, baby. I banged out a few things on this car for the road trip, like oil change, did new headlights, new spoiler, a couple other little minor things, and I stole Frankie's exhaust tip. On the way here, the fucking spoiler fell off the car. Boys, the spoiler fell off.
Oh. Yo, it smacked the car.
These drugs and my friends getting sick of my friends.
We pulled up to the crib for the weekend. You can't always win in life, but this car is making it to the show. If there's no body panels left on it, at least it made it. That's all I'm saying. I mean, look, N54 to the moon, baby. All right, come on, let's get inside. We gotta turn the water on. We gotta turn the electricity on. I gotta take a shit. We have to enter a dungeon. I have a scooter. There, Fox, where you at, bub? We have to go down there. God, I'm getting cold sensations. Hello? I feel like we're in a video game and we have a task to turn the water on. Yeah! Go on.
Dungeon. We completed task 1.
MTV cribs for the weekend. Hope you guys enjoy the travel videos. I think they're fire. You walk in, steps, paintings, carpet. This screams bald eagles right here. This room, brother. Goddamn. I've never seen such a good looking buck. The rest of our evening is gonna consist of Guitar Hero and alcohol. Yeah!
Do a leaper. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Fellers, this is the most last minute shit I've ever seen in my life. We gotta put exhaust tips on it. We need to find a spoiler. We need to get 3M tape. We need to clean the car. Yeah, I did it. I did it. All right, let's put these tips on.
Jesus.
Shit, my bad. All right, we pulled up to Walmart because we need some tape and Frank needs some raw nut solution. Tips are still on. Love to hear it.
Back in action.
All right, boys, pull up to the car wash. There's a lot of BMW boys here.
Hopped up out the jet with a bitch from Taiwan.
You got a headlight out.
Oh my God, they hate us. God! This looks insane, boys. We're on a full-on racetrack right now. All right, boys, we pulled up to Mpact. Did you think we were gonna go to a car meet and not be on some fuck shit? This is probably blurred. That thing is stout, bud. It's even got a nice set of nuts on her. There we go. We got Frank's raw nut solution right there.
Hey, they're not raw, all right?
We have made it. There's one up on us here, huh? This bitch is sweet, bro. Clearly, we weren't the only ones with the jokes. This man has captured sex dolls.
He's got a frying pan for a steering wheel.
Steering wheel's a fucking frying pan. Who is this guy? We
Where are
need to
you?
meet him. We need to meet him.
Damn.
Damn, boys, I need it. Shopwebs.com. See, this is by far the best BMW thing we've ever been to. So many people, I need to see some shit. What?
Beam for the win.
There they are. Let's go, bro. What's going on? That's me! That's me! We have a very stock 335 versus a Huracan. Turbo E46 M3 versus the 335.
Ow, that hurts. That was.
You hate to see it.
Oh
I have a surprise for you. You gotta look at my car.
From me.
Yes.
Oh god.
Here she is. You gotta stand right there though. It only looks good from there. You gotta find your surprise.
What the fuck is it? What the? I was like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, we didn't get him a ticket. He had to stay in the car, but.
Yeah. It's not getting enough love. Don't look too hard. Hey, you know what they say? Dickheads drive BMW.
Wyatt, look to my left. There's a child.
Where? Oh, shit. Don't look, please. Oh yeah, I appreciate that. Someone just gave me this hat.
That was a guy from earlier. No, that's his way of flirting. He saw his dick and gave him a hat.
Yeah. Boys, boys, boys. Shop Webbies. God.
It's actually fucking fire.
Excuse me. I just want to let you guys know they're speeding out there. Yeah, it's crazy, right? Maybe we need to do something about that.
They were speeding out on the regular roads too.
Were they? Did you give them some tickets?
Yeah.
All right.
Rip some ass.
Hi, man. Just pull a 6.9.
W-Fed.
Oh my God, definitely stuck.
OEM Plus.
Exactly. Exactly. Ooh, that one hurts, buddy. Hey, this man owns an Audi.
He dethroned him.
That awkward.
Please, sir. Please.
This man has a boner over your car, just saying. And he's from Maryland. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna have to do that again.
Are you doing for YouTube?
Yep.
Wait, are you
Wyatt
Wyatt?
Webster, yes sir.
Cool.
Man, he's got the front spoiler. Yes sir. This man. Hey, I fuck with the vents on the door.
Supreme cool.
Thanks. Hell yeah, that bitch is mint. We need like 30 of those now.
I'll take it right now.
All right.
Not again. Not
Part two.
Buddy Frank is fresh too.
Yo, chug off? Oh, God.
Fuck 'em. We're getting drunk and sleeping in trash cans at Mpact. Adam LZ, I love you! Yeah! Adam! Adam! Boys, we have made it behind the gate. I don't know how. Man, this is the spot. Want to trade cameras? Hey, if I pull my 335 up, can I hit
I'm not
drifts?
security.
Man, if you tell me yes,
Through that gate, I'll take pictures.
You have a vest.
I'll take pictures of
You
it.
have a vest, sir.
Do it.
All right, bet. I need about 17 more of these, and I'm gonna slam into that wall. I'm gonna put on a show. I literally feel like we're in a zoo right now. Like, look. To be agree for Frank.
All right, guys. It starts in 5 minutes.
Make sure you print your tickets. You want me to smash this?
Gotta post this before.
Oh, no.
2022 Olympics.
Oh, you folded.
Just somebody dab me up, please.
Folded it. Oh, fuck. You
Folded
fuck,
it.
dude. You already know.
Yeah. I'm like that, boys. That is the 335 that beat the Lambo. You got it!
Had
This man
everyone
beat a
in the
Huracan.
stands.
Yeah, everyone was going crazy.
You had everyone in the stands
everyone
going nuts.
crazy.
I heard.
We're gonna find the Huracan and go talk shit for you. All right.
He's up right now. He's right there.
You know that 335s whoop that fucking ass?
Yeah, this thing is slow. Did you guys know a $10,000 car beat this thing?
We watched it run about 5 times.
Yeah,
He's beating all the time.
all that money.
Would you dare to say overpriced, maybe?
Well, the trouble is he didn't put the extra package on it that came with the engine.
Oh, yep.
He's got a Honda 4-banger in there.
He's got a Honda 4-banger. God damn. All right, man. Man, his headlight's out. Shane, let him know.
It's a ZHP, yeah?
Yes, sir.
You have a headlight on. You have a headlight.
Yeah, your headlight's out.
You
Yeah.
have a headlight on. Yeah, come take a look.
It's pretty bad. Yeah, this one is out. Down. Pull it down. Pull down the window. Put the window down. He's laughing. Put the window down.
Hey, man, I got one of them.
Do you just have something coming out of the engine?
Yeah, you don't have a big turbo, sir.
No, that was fucked up.
I'm sorry.
You guys know why there's so many BMWs here?
The show is called Mpact. The M stands
We
for
brought a
M for
Mustang.
BMW M.
Yo, we brought
He
our
is a Mustang.
We brought our Mustang.
Oh, really?
I walked here.
It's alright. I have a Corvette too, so.
Oh, really?
Hey, fuck BMW. You know what I'm saying? Frank has found the E93 guy. Yo, that was us.
Why didn't you put the window down, man?
Where?
You're not
Oh,
allowed
no.
to.
I was
Yeah.
trying to get a
Gotta
better
drop
trap.
Fucking top, man.
No, we were right there.
Fair
We
enough.
were trying to talk to you.
bro. I can't hear nothing inside.
Oh, man.
What'd you run last time?
146.
Dude, we got
Bad.
potential.
Yeah, Frank has
Hey,
potential.
what? You got single or upgraded?
He's got the single. Bro, it's coming out of the hood. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, yeah. Come on, Frank. This is crazy.
Sir, you dropped your beer?
Dude, hold on. Hold on.
littering right now?
I'm big on Mother Earth. This is crazy. I've just got caught lacking.
Hands behind your back, sir.
He's
Hold on.
done.
Can I finish my beer?
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Yep, finish
That's a
it.
cool cop right there.
Oh my God, he's doing it. R7
doing it.
to the moon. This man is gonna nut, so I hope you have a towel. Wow. Wow.
Dude, that is
And that's Valvetronic. There it is. So how many Bud Lights will it take for me to get one of these exhausts for free?
130 racks.
Wow, that's a crazy weekend.
I was gonna grab one from you guys, but the $4 grand wasn't looking too great for
Yeah.
That's
How's the
four.
pockets looking, brother? Not
If you
bad.
take a stock muffler, cut that bitch off, weld a new one on there, you don't even gotta deal with this.
It's a big
Yeah, we can get it for 18 bucks.
Hey, Valvetronic, I'm with y'all. If you want to fuck with me, that's cool. So, with that being said, a full Valvetronic exhaust system from my guy here.
Yes.
The past, like, I think, like 20 days, it's been like
Put it there, brother.
TikTok. TikTok in there where girls shake their ass. See him Valvetronic. Hey, if he gives us a Valvetronic exhaust system, we might promote the fuck
fuck out of it.
How many likes for a free one?
I'd get you a dual universal kit for free if you get 25,000 likes on a video on YouTube.
Okay, that's impossible. See ya.
Boys, run 15K, 15K.
Boys,
15K, let's make it fucking happen.
I'm looking forward to it, guys.
Wow,
hey,
15's a lot.
50K, like this for the boy, please.
Like his video right now, and also follow Valvetronic and check out valvetronic.com.
Facts, he's already dropping promos, so.
Look,
There he is,
valid.
platinum vendor right there, but he doesn't have a platinum Bud Light in his hand. What's going on?
I still like it, but this guy's.
Oh my god.
He has a boner.
I do.
What is happening right now?
We are revving the shit out of the best sounding V8 ever made.
Move! Wow! You can buy it for only $5 grand. To say the least, I'm aroused. There it is. The fellas are leaving.
We are out of there.
Follow him. Think about following him.
Think about it.
He does have an Audi. Whose car is that? It looks like shit.
Hey, did you guys see this?
Man, is that average size? All right, that hurts my feelings.
Hold
We
up.
changed cameras because the other one died. Did I mention that? Can he get a ride for free on it?
I'll ride on the back. I'll cuddle you from behind like this.
Easy guys, we're not that the kind.
Wow.
Straight, buddy. Come on.
Sorry. I've never seen such a good-looking person driving this car.
Guys,
We gotta move it.
can't have your legs on this side.
Alright. Hey man, you see that? You gonna have to get him. You gonna have to get him. Hey, just doing your job, baby. There's your boy, bro. Come on now, let's catch that W. Porsche dead. Fucking Porsche.
Get out of here! Get out!
Come on.
Get here! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, watch my man do him dirty. Watch.
What's your YouTube, bro? Heard that. Follow the kid. Here we go.
Bro, there's no way. How did you get this?
My mom's closet. Y'all heard that?
Yo,
What?
subscribe to you.
Yes, sir. That's crazy. Just linked up with the boy, about to go take some photos in Purple Lot. Hopefully we don't get, kicked out.
Purple Lot, baby, we got money, y'all. Shop Webbies.
Man, what's the Instagram?
Clean__cafe.
Follow him right the fuck now. Would you like to get in my car photos over there?
Sure. That's what we're getting ready for. We're actually shooting on the track.
I'd love to hear it.
Man, this kid's got fucking something to him.
what?
What is it?
Welcome to PA, baby.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Thank you guys.
Man, what's going on?
You too.
That was. So we're actually taking her card.
Sir. Hold on.
He took my girl. He took my girl. No way. Alright then. Man, we're going on the track. The fuck? Yo, what's going on, bro? Hell yeah, I appreciate it. Hey, hold on, wait. I got something for you. We're with Beamer Girls for pictures. How do we get on?
I have no idea. Somebody with the event. I just a flagger.
Okay, heard that. Thank you. I'm trying to find my girlfriend. I don't know where she went. Yeah. Do you want to be my girlfriend? Ah, come on. Mpact boys are hip. Let's go. Deadass? Yeah, go for it. Oh my god.
Guys, I'm going home.
Alright, bro. Yes, sir. Alright, bro.
What's up, man? Private shoot.
Oh no, we're with them.
Girl that organized the whole thing says she has no idea who you are.
Hey, can you tell them we're with you guys?
So in order to get you guys on the track, it's because we said that you guys had a camera.
Okay.
Can you guys help us take a few photos and then we'll model your car?
Alright, yeah. So just keep it here for now?
Yeah.
Look, she made it. This is crazy. Frank, Smoothie. Man, what? Man, we didn't make the cut. Why is my car over there? What's going on?
Yes, sir.
Made size.
Oh, I'm not thinking this would happen today,
Yeah,
bro.
bro, I was not
just coming
expect-
here to just shoot for clients. Bro, I'm on the track shooting for Beamer Girls. Life's crazy, bro.
Alright, bro. It was nice meeting you.
I mean you, man.
Yes, sir. Drive safe now. We managed to be the last people at Mpact. That's how you make the most out of your money. We somehow got this with a green pass. Shout out to the guy who gave it to me. Very, very, very
We're gonna
solid
stop
day.
by the liquor store though, huh?
Maybe. Alright, boys. It's the next morning. Leaving the crib. We got about a 5-hour drive. These shorties on Tinder, like, they just stick around. Yeah, I know. Last night was a good time, but...
Man, fuck all these niggas hating on me.
I've come to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Dude, that makes me uncomfy.
Yesterday I fucked the waitress. I came outside with my plate, she was waiting on me.